What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video in which we're going to discuss a couple of things. Some news, but also one specific crypto that I think is very interesting for investment and trading purposes in the next week, 2 weeks, perhaps month. It kind of depends on how the market goes, but that's what we'll talk about in this video. I'll set you up with some news that's about to happen the 1st of June, which probably if you're watching this video and you saw the thumbnail, you maybe already know about, but we'll go over it. We'll go over why it is significant and also what it means for this specific crypto we're going to be talking about. The crypto that we're going to be talking about that I think can actually rally, but at least there are major opportunities I think with it in the upcoming 2 weeks, like I said, is Conflux and the CFX coin, right? So CFX is the abbreviation of the coin of their blockchain because it is a blockchain as well. So what we'll do in this video is first of all, I'll tell you why Conflux is significant, what news is happening and what that has to do with Conflux. And then we'll talk about the trading and investment opportunities, at least in my eyes. So that's what we'll do. So Conflux is a layer 1 blockchain, all right? Nothing too crazy with it. What is crazy though is that in like the 1st of June, what we're going to get is that the Hong Kong securities regulator is to accept licensed applications for crypto exchanges. All right, so it's quite regulated, but crypto exchanges, the 1st of June, can actually register in Hong Kong to provide services in Hong Kong. So that's seen as two things. First of all, that's seen as a start of maybe crypto getting into China again, which is obviously great news. Second of all, that's just the start of crypto being purchasable in Hong Kong again. Stablecoins, by the way, that's pretty interesting, are not admitted and are not regulated, first of all. So then the big question is, well, why is this, that crypto is getting into China, or at least Hong Kong again, why is that interesting for Conflux? And that is for one big reason, and that is that Conflux is seen as China's darling. All right, Conflux has some major partnerships with big companies in China, China Telecom being one of them, but we've seen more partnerships like this. And those were also the main reasons why we had these rallies starting the 26th of January. Then we had another one the 17th of February and then another one the 15th of March. A lot of rallies, and most of those were because of some huge partnerships that we got in China. Then apart from that, there's also some proof that it's heavily traded in China because you might not know it, crypto is banned in China. Still a lot of Chinese people trade in crypto. What is the exchange that they use the most? OKX. And what you see right now with Conflux is that 23.5% of the volume is coming from OKX. So if it gets easier to actually invest in crypto, what crypto will they buy the most? Probably the crypto that they are already buying a lot, and that's Conflux. Conflux has major partnerships. It's under $1 billion market cap. It's right now ranked 52nd, and it has potential, I think, to become a top 25 crypto in the long run. But on the short term, what does that mean? So the 1st of January, it begins, right? At least the applications are then legal, and we'll probably see trading beginning in June somewhere. Well, right now the situation for CFX is not too great. You could argue that we are in a downtrend. I would argue that we're probably consolidating a little bit more so that we're stabilizing in this area between 35 cents and 25 cents. I think that's the current situation. And then the big question is well, all right, what can we expect from June the 1st? Because I think it's too easy to just assume that we're going to get a huge rally, all right? Because a potential effect and a potential outcome of the news could be buy the rumor, sell the news. So we could already be relatively bullish right now because of the news coming up. And then if the news actually is released, we might drop. That's possible. It depends a lot on what we do with the price. So for example, the main level we would need to break and the level to break if we actually want to rally is 35 cents. So I think that if the market can actually get a little bit more bullish on this, so if Bitcoin gets some strength, for example, I think we can start to test 35 cents. But the only way in which we're going to get a rally from the news and in which you can capitalize off of some buy opportunities is if we break above 35 cents. I think if 35 cents breaks, the floodgates are open. We can reach 45 cents. We might go as high as 50 cents and even higher. So that is then you have a buy opportunity. But I would wait for confirmation of the 35 cents break and perhaps get a break retest off of 37.5 cents. Perhaps get some sort of other break retest off of the 0.382 FIB if we get a nice bullish move. Something like that would be the best opportunity, I think, because I would wait for confirmation. Now, on the other hand, the main support level that's holding us up right now is 28 cents. If we get an opposite effect, so a sell the news effect, what you'll see then is that we probably go down to 28 cents. You might have a little bit of a buy opportunity there, but then you could, for example, get a break retest opportunity off of 28, or you could buy at very low levels, because in the end, Conflux is still a great project. So a level like 20 cents, big psychological level, plus the 200 EMA would be an amazing buy if we get such an outcome or such a result coming from the news. So very interesting news, great opportunities, I think, to come. For now, this was my my showcase of them, or at least my informational video on them. If you still have questions about them, or if you want to discuss anything, make sure to join the Discord or the Telegram channel, and we can talk about it, or in comments. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.